A Roth 401k is a retirement savings plan offered by employers that treats your taxes differently than a standard plan. Unlike a traditional 401k, you contribute money that has already been taxed, meaning your paycheck is slightly smaller today. The primary benefit is that your growth and eventual withdrawals are tax-free, provided you follow the plan rules. You get the benefit of tax-free growth, but keep in mind that any employer match typically goes into a separate pre-tax bucket. Choosing between these depends on whether you think your tax rate is lower now than it will be in retirement. This chart shows how different tax treatments impact the final amount you take home after paying the IRS their share. Many investors choose to hold both types of accounts to give themselves more flexibility when they finally retire. Thanks for watching. Always check your plan documents before making changes. This video is for educational content, not financial advice.